Good morning, dear students. Once again, today in the subject of business studies, we have continued the motivation. As yesterday I told you, there are few related terms with the motivation, that those are motives, motivators and motivation. Motive is the requirement, that is the need, that is the desire. Motivation is a process of inspiring and inducing the people, injecting the people to fulfill their needs, and for that purpose they will have to perform the work. And motivators actually are the incentives which are given by the employer to the employees. One way looking, you may say, by the motivator to the motivatees. So motivators are the incentives, may be monetary or may be non-monetary. Today we have discussed the features of the motivation. One of the feature is that motivation is a psychological phenomena. This is related to mental related work. You have to urge the people, and for that purpose you have to induce them mentally, they are psychologically, so that they should be inspired to do the work by themselves. So this inspiration is related to the psychology. You have to motivate, you have to fire the requirement of the needs and fulfillment of the needs. So that is the related to the psychology of the people. Second is motivation produces goal directed behavior. This is the motivation who motivates the people, creates the desire to meet their requirement. For that purpose the people will have to do the work, and when they will do the work, surely they will create the results. Motivators this motivation may be positive or negative. As the incentives which you are giving, this is the positive motivation, but at the same time there may be some negative motivators. For example, if you are punishing them in the form of warning, in the form of issuing the memo, in the form of explanation, in the form of stopping their increments, in the form of demotions, then these are the negative motivators. Sometimes negative motivators are also given. Why? Because this will pinch them and will correct them. However, negative motivators are not common. Positive motivators are encouraged. And next thing is, motivation is a complex process because it is related to the mental health and psychological phenomena it is. That's why it is a complex and difficult process. But for that purpose, an efficient manager has to arouse the needs of the people and make the requirement to meet those needs. So manager has to perform all these motivation work. He will have to identify the needs and arouse the needs among the employees. And next one and the last one was the motivation is a dynamic and continuous process. Motivation is not a one-time process. Rather, motivation has to be done continuously. Once the motivators are provided, does not mean that it is over. Continuously you will have to do this activity. So this is the thing which we have discussed today.